Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work GMC Yukon TV. First, locate the power button, usually on the remote or the unit itself, to turn the system on or off. Once powered, use the remote or touch controls to navigate the main menu. You can easily access various media sources and adjust settings like screen brightness and audio volume. Familiarizing yourself with these basic functions will make your entertainment experience much smoother for all passengers. The GMC Yukon TV system offers both a remote control and a touchscreen for easy operation. The remote allows passengers to comfortably select movies, music, or other content from their seats. For those closer to the screen, the intuitive touchscreen provides direct access to all features. Remember to switch between input sources, such as HDMI or USB, using the dedicated buttons or menu options to enjoy various media types. Connecting external devices to your GMC Yukon TV is straightforward. You can mirror your smartphone or tablet screen using an HDMI cable, perfect for streaming content from your personal devices. For stored media, simply plug a USB flash drive into the available ports to play videos or music. Additionally, pair Bluetooth headphones for individual listening, ensuring a quiet ride for other passengers while someone enjoys their show. If you encounter any issues with your GMC Yukon TV, a simple system reset can often resolve minor glitches. Always ensure all cables, especially HDMI and power cords, are securely connected to prevent interruptions. For more detailed troubleshooting, consult your vehicle's owner's manual. And speaking of reading, if you love to dive into a good book, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Enjoy your entertainment on the go.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.